This is the corn patch in the backyard. It's supposed to be knee-high by 4th of July. It's as tall as I am. Hello from sunny, warm eastern Nebraska. As you can see in my backyard, we got some corn growing just to the north of our house, and I'm sitting on the step of the home on wheels. I was going to give you an update as far as what Jim and I have been up to. Not a lot. He spent quite a bit of time working with the farmer that he used to cut soybeans for, with planting and then also with spraying, and I just did whatever. I can't give you a lot of information about what our next adventure will be yet because I'm a little uncertain about how much to tell you for fear that something may happen. So stay tuned, there is more to come. But in the meantime, I wanted to do some more of my past harvest videos, and we are now at part 2 of 1995. And just for an update so that you have a better idea of what was going on at that time, I had a 7-month-old baby, Taylor, in the trailer house, as well as Jamie and Jenna. And we had a hired man, his name was Mark Homan. And I spent very little time at the field. As a matter of fact, probably none at all, because my job was to feed the crew and take care of the kids. So there's not a lot of combine action. There's not a lot of truck action. It's more of the family and what's going on at that time. I went back to the field when Jamie was of age to drive. That was in 2001. And I took over the job as the hired man. She took over my job. So anything prior to 2001 is going to be more of the adventures that we did during harvest and of the kids. Some of the field work, but not as much as what I have shown in the past. So enjoy part 2, 1995.
Is that fun, Taylor?
Yeah, so fun. Good girl. Hi. Hi.
Jenna, you better smile. You're on camera.
I'm rocking you.
That's alright.
Mom, you know that thing that we thought was going to build a church?
Yeah?
It's a library.
Yeah.
How'd you know?
I heard the ladies tell us. Where'd he go? We better take supper out. Dad's gonna get mad. Yes. Is that fun? Huh? Mama, mama. Mama, mama.
I've seen Hurricane jump through. Down here in that bottom, you're gonna get stuck.
And then we'll have a burn up tractor.
He's gonna get stuck and get burnt.
Yeah, come on, Mark. We better go to work.
Alright.
Look at that, Mom. Look at that. It looks like you could drive right in the middle of that.
Wonder how it got started.
I don't know. Maybe one day, morning, those guys left the accidentally started the fire.
No, there was a combine in another field that might have started it.
I bet they would do that. Bright.
See one much brighter than that very often.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to get a picture of that, okay?
That landed on their roof.
Maybe we'd appreciate that.
What? Nah.
Well, you just don't see very many rainbows brighter than that.
That scared me.
I got the whole thing with pictures around it. Mom,
What?
I got the whole thing with pictures around like that.
Oh, someone's trying to outdo us.
That's why they're 10 cents. Because they don't pop.
Taylor! You missed the rainbow!
I saw it just as I walked out the door.
Did you?
Want me to light it again? Let it get on.
It's going the wrong way. That's 50.9. That's what I was trying to do.
Here,
Right behind you!
you guys, let's go away if we're gonna do this stuff.
Taylor.
Open them all up for you, Mark.
Here, Holman, we'll tie two of these babies together here.
That's what I'm doing.
In the bucket! Watch it!
They're pretty strong.
Throw it in the water.
Okay. Good hero.
You hit him just right, though, bro.
Fire Jiffy!
You guys a bunch. Mine are
Got
waterproof,
water in my
too.
eye.
Hey, where's your Roman candle? I need to relight it.
What happened, Mark?
The fuse hurts worse.
Taylor thought that was funny too.
Jenna. One of those filter blowers, you know? He turns around and hits me right in the back with that. I'll lose it.
Throw that right in that pile. You might hit this thing in a hurry.
Well, she did single all the way through the net for a long time.
That's what I use every on.
Not all, doer. Watch this, guys. We'll see if Mark can start with these flame tools.
Oh! He's hit it. You're too close. Yeah. 12-pack of pop.
Yeah. Taylor, what do you think about this? Taylor?
I'm getting off of the board now.
Hey.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, it fell down. The first one sure was pretty. Oh, incoming! I remember one of those up in Alma that year. Came over by us and went inside.
Hey.
To Manley, Nebraska.
Careful, do it carefully.
What is that? Sprung a leak. Tipped over.
Bring it, James.
Dirty, washed it by hand in soft water. And when we have it washed and we lay it, that comes out into my lap. See, I have all the fibers going in the same direction. Then I lift it off the bowl. Then I take the back into lay that right on somewhere.
I don't know, about 15
Okay, I'm done.
per se.
I will apply attention.
Because that's what it's
I
called.
know.
I think we're supposed to go down up the other end.
I've got her apply attention.
She's interested in
No, no, no.
See, it's magic. It can go like this. See, Taylor says yeah. Taylor says yeah. Taylor! Yeah, baby. Taylor! I'm going to speak cold glass of Pepsi. Cold Pepsi. Cold, cold. Oh, dude. Let's put it back, Tater. Cool. Make some words, Taylor.
Jamie or Jenna.
Sorry. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jan.
Back up. Rewind. This is a live, Tater. Rewind.
Hi.
Stand up, baby. Stand up.
Taylor, you're next in line in about 6 years.
We can pull one of yours out.
Whose?
Tater should stand up.
You hold your sister, Jane.
Okay. Oh, she's heavier and heavier every minute.
Jenna's first tooth.
You tell it goodbye. Tell your tooth goodbye. You ready?
Close your eyes, Vanna. Close your eyes.
Now open wide so I don't hit your mouth.
Jamie.
Okay.
Can't watch.
You ready?
I really can't watch.
That's all there was to it. Here you go. Here's your prize.
Did it hurt? I heard the noise.
Did it hurt?
Click.
Did it hurt?
Jenna, let me see it.
Jenna, yeah, she hasn't stuck her tongue in the hole yet.
Don't, because your tooth will turn gold.
No.
I'm going to go into my camera.
So we're going.
Yeah, I'm going to open it up.
Okay. Jamie, you get your gold cerulate.
You stay. Look at that. Mom, stop.
was a nice face, Jim.
Now I get to see what it looks like.
Do it again, maybe you'll see it. Now do it. See ya!
Bye.
The big elevator's full, so they're going to the small one. Got a little bit of shade in the afternoon. And here comes the sound of what Lodgepole is most famous for. The trains.
Oh, she looks nipped. Hey, Ma. Don't look. This is Mommy. What are you doing, Mom? Hi.
You know that.
Mom, don't Mark. Get Mark.
Why is that bunny saying yes?
You like that?
You do that?
That turn. Okay.
What?
Oh, take that. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at her.
Did you just draw that a day or two ago?
Dude, look at that one.
About a month
Look at
ago.
that one. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Was I in Norton? Yeah, there we go. Turn face. You cut it with your teeth. No, that should be Jimmy's picture. Here, that one.
We need to do that.
Okay, you like that one. On your jeans. I'll have to show them.
Only 12 days.
Okay. Same page? We've only been here 12 days?
That's the one we're in Anthony.
Why? Getting there.
No, I'm in 16.
Oh, done! 12 days, Anthony, Kansas.
Ow, you'll hurt my eye.
Go home, go. Go. Wake up, Daddy. Sick.
Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.